Okay, you are given a velocity function for different times in seconds. So first question is, when is the object moving forward? Anytime we are talking about movement, we should be looking at the velocity function. And for right now, we're only talking linear motion. So if things are moving to the right, we can only move to the left. So this object is only moving right, left, right? So it's only moving along a horizontal axis. So if I want to know when is it moving forward or to the right, that means that your velocity would be positive. So when I look at this graph, this is your velocity function. Positive means it's above the x-axis, so that would just be in the interval from 0 to 6 seconds. When is the object moving backwards or to the left? That would be when the velocity is negative, so that's when this graph is below the x-axis, so that would be from 6 to 10 seconds. And then when is the object standing still? That would be when the velocity is 0, and that's exactly at 6 seconds. So basically from 0 to 6 seconds, the object is moving to the right, then it turns around at 6 seconds, and then it starts moving backwards. Okay, what is the object's greatest speed? So remember, speed is the absolute value of your velocity function. This is your velocity function here. So we want the greatest value that this takes on, regardless of whether it's negative or positive. It just happens the greatest y value is 4, and this value is negative 4, so absolute value is still 4. So the greatest speed would be 4 feet per second. Okay, what is v of 3? Okay, v of 3 is just the y value of this graph at 3. Notice it's just 4. What is a of 3? The acceleration is the derivative of the velocity graph. So at 3, notice I have a horizontal line. So the acceleration of this graph is, this particle is 0. Okay, and the same idea, let's look what happens at 9. Velocity at 9 is just the y value here. So 9 would be here. Looks like it's exactly negative 2. Acceleration at 9 would be the slope of this graph, and it's just a straight line. I can count out the slope. It looks like I'm going up 4 to the right 2, so slope is 4 over 2, which is still 2. Okay, one last question. If I asked you at 9, is the speed increasing or decreasing? So notice here the velocity is negative, acceleration is positive. So remember we learned that when they have opposite signs, that means that the speed is decreasing.